Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Biamana sana wanchi muligeri awegeta seni y'Ensoko n'ebiro binde naende togokwarigania somorobere bwengwana ya bene mwanchi muligeri tabere togo boli wasama tukamange nga kwabere gokwerikia buna omwaki chikura litkolera mwanchi muligeri ninde no mugeni ase studio astrabe togokwanera naki abale no bolemana barobo babwenete kwerikia buna abaki chikura go karibu sana sangana into mwanchi muligeri sensemeli yemita ndao Facebook wetra Ensoko TV na biga sensemeri ya YouTube bwa igo mwanchi muligereria ngochitore ko kwali bagali yabena so gusanga into ya maseyemo wetra sinamba yeto yesimeri ke ujumbe yawo so kwana na into ya maseyemo tyango ngiriri bageli gali yabene kumwalika ni ase studio atomanye na kyakoro na ndenga yakoro karibu sana.
Asante sana. Tima deso jago tevinga happy Easter. Yarandoche abantu baro mutimo ko Easter. Arede bintu bitate nentugo se wakatoya no. Kemira kerenge meremero ikekoreki. Ikegendere. Mo ikekorwe. So in the happy Easter. Happy Easter to TV. Happy Easter amogusio mugima ase atoligeretie na sotuwe no mo kubwito IEBC kerenyaria ishimi waruto ndo chitayari akondi kiranta hata ibetike gusi abaro chenge Ensoko Mr. Ruto are very active.
Okay.
Returning officer gari kinyamira north senya north mugirango. So miyamano Madam Frida nchenkoro kwa Jared Wilberforce nkoro gari nyamira sakoro kunyanguge omega wanda iga sebire binge nimbwate abana nimbwate omukungu naende nimbwate birogo bike bono nkarastaiga una oyo masaba konyi bali bagosomya abantu baito igoro byobuya bwokwerikia uno mwaki ekura nchorire nekiombe gya IEBC kurense emeria ya North Mugirango constituency ime ya Nyamira county. So karonda iga bato kwandira bare maru ne public in general igoro byobuya kwerikia kuna omwaki okura no bove ubotelikia uno
mwaki ekura
una mwanyagetinge.
Okay, mbia sana. Ranga abasai bali bajenze bakali kubolinga je uko kadi. Aitimeti ensemo ya uko kadi.
Naishi kadi. Niko kadi, mimi naishi kadi.
Unaishi kadi. Mbia mana sana. Kora tutaingo ngaki abantu bali no bole mabero biriti aso kwelikia unabaki chikora.
Ngakatengi round ye na kitwa to struggle sana. To run ko nyama bagaito that's why bona yankana stega on behalf of persons with disabilities. Egento kigato confise commission ne linga there's nothing for us without us. Egento gito onkiyo onyento iyo. It is either toro gusegento ngia koraki nkebo ngito koligeria. Onye mubwate slot yabangina gusaba sai abasai bachire ne move yawe ya niko kadi. Abale maruna barobo baligeri gwenchere yabo yogotebanga na intunto korete gento kieke ntole ebo kweregister una umwaki ekura bono kwero to brite komo nelinga abantu baito ba disability karo baboli kwa meeting to abwata andeiga na batenga tato yo moito asoe mabu naliara to convince ngekene mo korete mo tengereti so inentire yemo yokwebanga injire ndi yakabere Go to atebye commissioninga ebintu byo register chikura. Ne staff liko register binyoro gari. Batale mpaka andonsi isabantu baito bakarateki. Bali. So jinjira chinke chinego amanyitore bunesho hendra.
Okay. Ekaro tokurigereria so obochori wiga bwabeire bogweta Wilberforce. Timetinga abantu bali no balema babire bagwaka chikura.
Ase kerenge kesana. That is why to ikarasire kwegolia ekere katiba yeto bwate bona ya tatiku 2010 yoto tekwegena nga yaira bale marwe sababu yoko wakachikura na kwa involved as a political event chese yiga ikagere katiba ya 2010 ya Kenya ikakoleka no gutwara mangana maya isa balemaru ayata akoleteki
atarengo
lakini bono over almost 15 years kuri katibe yaka begatunga gatechi nechikura chakane gatogo chiwaka chakane kuru inception of the new constitution is it 2013 17 22 next time chakalenga chakane lakini mu barwa bantu bita basoka chikura igo baraba kesana tadi go mondo digo soka guoka pako kweliki pale maro bange mbale go koreki bana kweliki so to ikaranse to evolving aki na seki mu barwa bale maro ga chikura okobomo
amoke
so amatukama iga to bere to guaka lakini so mu baromoke to tega to mekere bitaseni to ne soko koranga a trend ya change abantu tena baroba manyenga babwate right babwate libagali yabo asobo akiwechi kura na gochora bare bare bete
kerekedo il bafose sensemo ya kero kurirelia ingiki abirege kongu abantu bale no bale makwirike buna bakicikora nebibande bataranyora usemo chando noro yoyo
binde byonsi ekero tabwate ke bande togo nyara ko elike buno mwake kura mbale babwate bande mbatageti kwelike mbale berigetie mbatageti gwaka umuchando go beire singenjo akora kia bonge kole diki nkiyo nkingo chandikira nduseito nyasike etibu yokon paka geteli primary abunyali bali masaba onya kwana botale seli yabo ngonta no maita sai una korolekana kurubo ngonta kaba koso ke paka geteli go sekio miti mroche challenge omonto wasine wheelchair uso kubwatwa koboko uso botalera chikira chiara koleki ale etere mpaka ikigetuo galia omanya konyanga nyani mayo gukora struggle yonse kintu kya gikora diki nkiyo ngakiteria kwenyurwa sekende wono tebanje no bale mabwane tiganganya omonguru karaje kinde moyo sawa karanyole na akule amboke nyo kongire gorangire ngora cyana mwakore gento kie in other words abantu baito bale discouraged babu atigento giko ba motivate ko participate in election bose no voter registration eba korra bonega asibosa
ase faida yo mwanchi umurigereria kwabere ko kwane bintu bibirega bunga abantu bale no bole maybe ebako ba discourage kyagera mbaro chingamba bwatigendo inkyo bineti gabo
igento bintingelinga igo konyote nganchu nchumweliki na monto muri maru incho koleki nchumweliki oso kote kichiga kichiaye omatwana muna onto bunanche Frida kerongo taranche tinikorele ngotara negaidi toasi umunge tuongo chiwakere kura wekandi ne pipi kukatoli ne pipi ando walenga babere ekosti ni yango ninche ko ni ka tali bwego ekeronko genda go struggle ngo igongo twale hopunga igongo enda go chinchige ntugete so imo boimo botomenyete muna abantu bari no barema
kabisa
lakini kwanya oranga nonye gwachiete kende nkeri gya koraki kende nkeri gya chenchia aso koliki wakachikura abana siasa baito babere batumika abantu baito bale marubobe ngo tumabale mpaka kigali cyachi ko bogoli bakoreki baende kweliki nkierwa neti atwale abantu bakumagira chikura bangi abantu abaito bali no bale mesengi ko yetinye gali bakanda bagake kura batwara hope ngoyo twete ko Frida kerubo ogo chakaye guburayo in fact abara tokolerega singegero tonyoire rotoka gotuineka tochikwa chikobwata chikura ya ikali tukuri elections still omuntu na balta yale gotomega ali mukia bale maru baende bake chikure bituo lakini yeso ko banga magenderero yechinse mechio ebenechi ward ebenechi constituency ebenechi county eben Kenya ngima dio libono ndio nagocha kuye bale maru nechi gali egere baende go participate asemero beria koleteki asemero beria bwate kero mungu oli okweti ne gali ogachikwe register oli okalinire pigipigi ogachikwe register gocha kobagachi basari kana ko barangiria bale murwache ko boine chipigipigi ngana inju mokoleki instead akonyara bintu byarengibya bale maru yabega binu wejimoina omonto likerunga no male maru waekwa ikini genteke mo minute as discouragement ero ndo bulinga bona last year no yetigune nkanda gwake kura kusenkaenda ku register lakini nje tikuyigwa nchikuye basari omwana one no ari University of Nairobi ngostura gomba subatu ba minto ba komosomi ande kende nkirikira hanso kinchi wake kura 2032 gosekera mubungo itara kwe gosomo MCR akwe gosatige kiruko so I mean by discouragement
ekaro kurigeria Wilberforce asense mo ya magendero kwa bere ko kwanera randinga umonto yo mongo bare kago chorwose babere asoko bari present abantu bari no borema kerekende mwanya gukwanira maganyo ayoino maybe more public participation osokoro birenga libino
bemono ali tangani nekira twali kire nkoro ndandrete koro sime munanda mutotumira IEBC abantu batwali research ringe ngento batayikwerejestera neringa mbaikora kende kiabo kuna kito kora baro ngento kiabo nkero we etoko yandrete ko request IEBC ko se parliament whichever organ is concerned batema ba review lichiko ebenga ni lazima ebintu gete bikoreke ukisa abantu abali maru number 2 ebenga no te bali dikare nothing for us without us gendo gito nyento yo ngore diki nkejo to eguli bagali ito yo goteba buna nango tegwe to kore gendo kieke to kore nya public participation yo goteba okonyo ari likire njebu yana participate in the binge freedom on behalf of my people people with disabilities are encouraged to attend they want in eli kire yanga ntoka bwa the public participation ekali itibo resort Togo chigo discuss yeke po ngomo gambi ata betigwe gose bantu gete bata betigwe tatabasa 20 abangina 20 abagaka 20 mo make sure disability mba koleteki
mbaro
umuntu menya kwando ligyo umuntu oyo mo disability just goikirania togo dasike songo koraba stamp matoke yake to kuboli IEBC na organs tiri concerned aquí because it is very clear Frida it is the state to ensure this is article 21 katiba ya Kenya na article 54 it is the state itakire ku facilitate ya mangana ya koleki abe effective a state includes IEBC nechi agency chinde ona tokuboli IEBC ga onya abantu bare kwa 2020 kuruense ya bagaka nabangina nabasae yorite kana disability na baye 20 ikana baru ne community ere kivya nyamiralia ndaga tenga jemba antenje no MCA number 21 igonto bwate ward yende ko ya disability etabwati ebwato mo speaker oye ebwate MS yaye ebwato mo MCA oye mushara bogeta kale diki etabwati kyagera mo MCA we ward yininche ese ngenjo ngaki abantu expect my the Frida abasacha mbata sele mangana yabazuba let's just be realistic mwateri ntombire tutakire ko realistic ngabono mo sacha tende kabisa kukwanda reproductive health yo musubati tikana nebi ndoso meta se bitabu injo wali Frida what ladies go through every month you are living by imagination na indu njoto boli bunabale maru nkitugo etera in as far as governance is concerned tago assume tago imagine number 2 tago tebanga ngabona ekugwa somete mo no kando gakora bali bagwete ga Frida nige to get very painful among persons with disabilities nganjo mate ngorte special needs kokora special needs toraba mole maru ekoro tekembe tokora diki tobe gotebanga no nyuo mete does it mean you understand timbo rokyo mongina gwetera gako ibor nga eno enchuma teni nyuo mete manimbo ta bana chinyaroka do you understand what girls go through every month ekoro muska kwatenga cramps inkondo machire do you understand as a man what cramps are you don't that's what I say amangana abasubati anduguna basubati amangana yabale maru anduguna bandokia na bale maru yes
as ekarukuli se kyombeke getene togo choli ne chimbebe IEBC kirukende kiabeire kigwa avail materials chiri cy'abantu bale no bali mabwenete kwelike bunaba kichikora rachakira
ndo wa appreciate mono sana keramba ekiringa nto ba acknowledging an mistake babiri bagokora babiri bagwa avail lakini without statistics wono kwanya babete wrong materials in polling stations kwa mfano omwe yake yabire go chikora cyabire kigokorwa ikiringa nto ba admit nyuma batara requesting anje ko bakonya ku mobilize nako na convince to bari maru bari siberi kibuna chikura ubuna aba kichikura ncho manyene na teta very rough experience because ni chikondronga nkonywe gwake kura katinga nyara komaki box imedaribo andinga wono takiro so vote polling booth oso eno monto obwate kebande oro mwake kura nje mundo idingo mwegena for the longest time I want to converse on TV ngana abere ngo break ri chikogera ngo gena ne mukyo mwishone but then in primary arenge 2017 in primary arenge 2022 high school arenge nche na bakane tingi umuntu byekande egene
no mwana
kura is my son number 1 isi nginjo no yone ta kongaina number 2 tabu ati kura so tabu ati interest iragere anibere kura number 3 tali interested na besa kende ngiria go chikokora so kunya tokonyara kumu bribe against me I had to stop an election for the two elections 2017 na 2022 hariko anonate ni pingonya tindi gwaki uno mwishiyone yore kura njiri kora akoraki njiri kora agenderera lakini bono mbacha baga appreciate bakateba for sure ngo print or braille material lakini ntu anako take time muchio kumanyanga bituombirenga bitagete braille material bono ga kiwil bafos mbuya abantu bamino bagachorire ochoto konye kumanya kuna mwana nuti mugirango I'm believing ambacha bachorire president several ya gusiyengima na Kenya ngima asta to kuma sign language abantu mbalengege tu ekyo patali koigwa patagete abantu ba sign language abantu mbalengege tu ekyo batayikorora patagete braille material I want to appreciating kuchakira not mugirango ba knowledge ringa nkokora bali statistics egera koroba kwa veil ba veil wakonya bakorete interview muna tata kale ngara ba stamping byachawe kugago monto gotumia takole tiki tayo chikura chaera ebinte byasambwa inyo ngebesa yo mu Kenya yatumikire go produce braille ebesa yo mu Kenya yatumikire go monto sign language somewhere isa tata kire cover ebesa ino nyomole moro kwa gole wait keni baba it was better lakini over yambuling I want to appreciate yangu anakasonga kuko na libara abwate because luto na telling they are listening you know original returning officer not mugirango I want to appreciate the fact that they have begun recognizing the need to have the right statistics of how many people with disabilities need what so that it is not just a business of providing. We provided legally, we were within the mandate, but then was it effective? The answer has been no. They have promised us from next year got a mabari ebinte bitumeki
ngwakwa na bukale ndaite ko quote na kwa bege statement nga umusubati nere understand tia mangana ya basubati waiga abantu bale no bolema umuntu ole no bolema nere oranyare kumanya imechando y'abantu bale no bolema timeti IBC bono iga gweseye robe iria sokane kyanga watebanga umuntu ole no bolema nere oranyare kuba represent buya igali asogwa akachikura abantu bale no bolema ba nyakobeko gwese inclusivity ya nyakobororo
asogwaka
ekwelike wake chikura turachakira
okwelike wake chikura umate Frida iyo ndongerekere kenye ama chikoto wate na mayasana implementation omo chando parteki uli ikero kwa mali chikuri ya Kenya it was very good for persons with disabilities lakini ukira implementation for two reasons one goodwill abantu bali chiobisi barocho bale mabune garama boro bagote by all means ili bagamurali Wilberforce ate ko tusabaje ya sinyinge eto kosato tole musale manene karo kyo mukutano eto rali monto ndebwensi omole maru na to mwami ambiri utaiko boliswa aya gose mwabeke deadline ere very near mateba ntukoli kitole nyato ko wayi kolesha no clerk ni nini eliki deadline Jumatatu tare 6 tare esta gaki Easter Monday advert ya soka Thursday are you sure you want to do this again the get effective and to no walema kwanyo resmo okore bintebi online maybe osene poster mwabe geta segete people with disabilities are encouraged to apply ebinte mwabe getega mwabe geta ali shopping center mbiri bya brain tingo chama osembi koroteki abantu wetu bakale binyoro mali bamadi osembi koroteki mbiro ngoko rangantu advertise abantu bainomba koroteki abantu bainomba achete so I want to appreciate the fact nga ba so ile korolenchira mbaranyerora lakini ba admit ya makosa yanga babiri bako bane fair and that is why tunaweza koleta kuwa na ime Frida anto pia manta wange mbango wetu maybe there's a little mama ngirite skuru ngatwara umanyi bongake
no maite right yao
no mbona tikuma moto maite ndo chikoboli lakini abaito karto abekanse bakanda stand iko bakole tanje bikana renge naje kuiba se panel yeyo yoko by voter educator lakini mbaro che sense ngata to monte kene ogo chikotokonya ko cause impact taibo saiko so ngora ndo chenga ngora witabira nato ngora witabira na bali mbara itabira na peace ngino ya forces injire chikoleteki no muchando munne Frida igore political parties ngoja toro in the next part of our discussion nzo kone representation ingota ebi lakini iga SH agency ngusangiye ole babwate okugani okuya abandi lakini mbali naende abali bobe bako soka iskali omuntu amua ngati atore to molemaru no chikolikyo molemaru kali USA mwato molemaru USA tebanike maene tanda stimina ndime chando molemaru ba Kenya ba garaki
ba wetera
USA ba pake gali eroro lichikolire lazima anje gogomuke molemaru gali ime taxi yao lichikolire USA go sekanda liko tango molemaru oyo omekisho kwa moshughulikire to the best Kenya lichikelindiro ogoto kutunya mataro gwe bange
Wilma Fostimadi asebita seni byo kwelikia kuna baki chikora.
Yes.
Mbira access basa bantu bale no bolema.
That's the biggest problem. Nikuta tanga bone gese ikirete. Isa ulikuta accessible, bibwate mechano na accessibility. Abo bisabalia. Baru wo bagende sabanta bakolete bakali. Asebara nyare goika. Usiye mbrango twero Frida. Tigando example, unaona school ko kuitiba primary school. Not Mugirango. No example, yes, school and Kegogi primary school, polling station, not the make the word polling station, Kenech polling station, which cover. Not Mugirango. No example, ye polling station, Ekorokunya Mwanchania, not Mugirango. No example, ye polling station, Ekorokia Mogake, not Mugirango. Ebinevi tu obiria, vire interior. Emburango tuere, chipara chire chimbe utakiro tamboke chindo cyo na itibo polling station igerega ya kabire kerugo so ndira amacha akoba all over umuntu na cha ikoro kweriki na kongo wono nke mo biso ya okora omo biso tago ikaranza itibo polling station throughout ikaranza itibo polling station como ikire saa 5 mwa rodinga kitana putekora diki tara no ne mechima evolinga maiga no mole maruna roro utanyara gocha tumulikie kura that way ntoro chenga ntochiku achieve como chando which polling station no royo momo ene ising into accessibility either vile atambe kose chipara go chiochire chimbe kose no ne compound ye nyene so bwa kichikura go kolera go so kweliki go kolerwa mo chando go koledeki iyere metaro montago chana wheelchair mate Frida montago dikobogoliko usually I want you for a minute to imagine you are on a wheelchair, God forbid you are a lady. How do you feeling about lift the yoga geko gotiri gocha ngabona basacha bago tumukorwa ya Clinton ndigi ya watoldi yana mwimo kingo mwimo kifrida do you even your dignity is lowered kira basacha bako bugoleti so ekiko kira bantu bane bago gachikura na kitwa tebiria IBC ba ononga ki tokonyega bagateba toletera umuntu ino nande bano bagachi bakalema bali banoti muranga bantu mawiri bafozi yo bantu bande boboete oto tebi stokorteki ase tu ebire ase tole bobe so a problem ya very accessibility want to believe this time round not under to kichikule chiga after check kolre ko ba kolikiwa ko evaluate tolenga how many people with disabilities bakara tendo kieke to compare na the past then we are able to give ni around ye mwate mete ko semere ntimai
abuna bonega Wilba Fosquata teringa ngwa bete ko gochoro so ko represent abantu bali no bali mase bunge ya North Mugirango kerekende data ya bere nkongo asoko manyanga abaro bali mbalenga balenga babire bakwelike chikura kerekende murobeliki kwa bikira soko ne kyangango kororo muchando yo
data ni ntego ko very keen about that is what to request the IEBC bona wachine nchirengia ekero kwelikia olenganche ni demalete kwaroli asinaralia okobekanga nature of disability blind nature of disability physical bona kerekse kia elile ndo to enda se list tokole audit tobale tomanyenga abantu mbalenga belige timuna abantu kiaba una wakichikura among persons with disabilities ngobwate na tole no BC ya National Council for Persons with Disabilities eto data ya North Mugirango ya adult persons with disabilities bali eligible wakachikura ekero to yolire data Kurwa the National Council for Persons with Disabilities, of course, the National Bureau of Statistics, NBS, to compare that y'abantu abanene bale criminal bale maru, to compare that y'abantu beli kiriwa kachikura. Tole ose discrepancy nero, ose nkwagiri chiri. That's one plan to water in place na IEBC office not Mugirango. Yes.
Saisi no kerekero no maite abantu balinga bare not Mugirango bare no bolema. Pratica na soko elikia.
Yes. Think to are very clear statistics saying in job bolema ma tendo ko evolve. But kolengana census ya 2019 I mean yeah 2019 and what census study from the national statistics sasa nyamire ngimewa abantu 17,500 with the disabilities. The highest sub county is Challenge Nyamira North, that is not Mugirango, na Kitutu Masaba. Iga, I think Nyamira North by then I stand to be corrected. We have got about to almost 3,000 plus. So I stand to be corrected. Number two, very clear kiagera these statistics in Chile to bali ba bwenete no ko temporary disability na permanent disability so you narrow lenge temporary agacha kabwene ondenale oruwara 2023 after census agacha kabo molema omolemaru so ntoro atwara that clear. Number two, National Council yo kenyene nja ambete go to fail kero ko data National Council keli ko represent the true figures yet a body mandated kubaraba antabu National Council of Freedom. Recently, endo keto endrete ko koragali kiabasai by disability. Kilo to zite kubaliya and luckily enough and coincidentally injenali ngenutu Mugirango for the same. Kilo zite kubaliya to nyatenga abantu mbarali abange sana no National Council itakolediki itamanyiti. Abantu mbarali abange sana no National Bureau of Statistics itakolediki ndo kieke itamanyiti. Kero mudalo ngo malimo 2019 ekero kubole maswali ya registration naki data collection ekiyo mubaro ondinaro de kwa na goseninde malete gosenimbo ato mwana omolemaru wake sta ngoteba ninde malete ora ngo konyo nali gochi wana ngotenda malete ngotikunde tinkoraki so that was the challenge to take na chicho yora to twara very clear figures kiabantu baito
ngwa bakokwerera gati emerobere kyombe gosabo bisa batenene TIBC bagendete kubika soko ene kinga okweliki kwa bakichikura sabantu bale no bale mangu ikiranirwa kore kero kende ndiro konyara bakwenda maigilyo nakibabwenete kuri abantu ba iliki gwa akachikura ekero kurigereria IBC bonoiga yabetege kwigiria abantu ngakibako handle abantu bale no bale ma ikiagera ngantu bwate bali batali korora mbaroro batali kwegwa ande to kunyara ko handle at the same time
and in the same way I want to appreciating abuno na iketu bagatebanga no konye to fereti to omuntu to konyama konye bagwasi mungamba koreteki mbamanyite and again to akora is the right thing lakini ndo chinge change chakire kwa no mukutano to bwate bwa maigeri ya ino Mugirango last week so this week on Tuesday all disabilities were catered for itatu chakire hall waka make sure hall yabo ni accessible so nyanto bwa to monto bwa te wheelchair na bali access yao hall tugate bigu disabilities chance those main categories disability to be represented to atoma bagale get almost 12 tugate ibu oyo le visually impaired atene guide yaye igonga no ne fair guide yaye akorete njabe kirezemo ne yaye umuntu tagete orona wheelchair ache no mokonyi ye yoto tomo bagabere visually impaired abere physically challenged abere hearing impairment abere people with albinism abere a short stature kwarali yoto tinga wari kada chinyige cha kwarali cha very represented na ndonye barengo they were to be given the best opportunity so batemire SNCMU mbono bachagete kwinyura mukwenyu natenge ndokero mochande kebe konya mara ange bakweba bacha kusaba mabe
nacho sama
no isa megeria yanto ekarase tigugari ubesaba no balenge mu original officer nerole kwegeria na ndebone gekirange binte ngwata ikwegeria aho tobori kibilba fast iga na bonda asiwe ikorengana mariko kiriga lakini toange formula ikiagere numubegete koroteke tukabwata no musikoro ko Christian kirubo ko rekerenya ali tukabagekiranga no wana stay to which kubatiganze we will work with you the journey to the end for effective representation.
Okay. Bimono sana mwanchu muligeria bwigeta seni gensoko niko tugendete gusanga imeyo morobilyo ubwenkwana ya bene astogendete gukwanira igoro yokwelikia kwa bakichikura asabanto bale no bale makondo mwanchu muligeria dia tosaso mutimo komoke igo tokoirana ndobeto gusanga amange.
Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bumugusi onye kubwateri bolyo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsigoro yemirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri ukuri email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service itego tukasamaga Hazina Towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi amarire nigagendrete gutose mwana boire bukia kali Yesu sera ekegonko esukari lisabeso ukurasa kwa manyinga yani blood pressure ninki turakore wetanga kuri wasare nyorali chibu asomrobilyo bubugima nobo cheno asora bigo kumeni wanabanyagitari bamarwire ao nabo yabamanyi bande bayatunge tyobo cheno kumurikira marwire nobo wenia nyoro mrobilyo bubugima nobo cheno na Caroline Mausa kirali tukule Jumatatu chinsa ibiri chabutuko ime y'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi. Obulimire bw'esiro y'obunda bwense kulenge tali nchirende onsora kurubulimi obuyoke enyorere libaga bene kwaegwa megerio chisemi nobosemia igoro y'obulimi bwekerero nechikolinga
asobolemi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
gale konyana eyinsimegete nterangetia maraba ekonete konya gukina yo kamaraba konya kuyana nganya kwa mabuya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe to semogondo bweri nebisumwime na pathway machine
kile sukuri Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamuragoba weka chinsa isato asomurobero oboremi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kura sabaremi chini gongoro kwa petrol machine
asomurobero boboremi nobotugi ime y'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi. Magega ya televisioni y'Ensoko gwikasero yao kwanyori ribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete senambeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tukuralia bokwenyulia ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono nabokonyori ribaga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyake busani tulikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662 Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi
Akongo chigokongo ikaransera matemwana
ikara twikoro tukatabwa bwana takokora research ali ntuwegena tukabwatanga mwira retain byasanko ligi 360
umworoki gwa bekeransi ya 12 agregi cyana kugania gusirwa eri kumanwa maiso
chae turi gotora tukwirira sanganyi chae to gotora na tuira tubekena handoche miti ni yetu chai ni yetu na vitu vyote samba yetu.
Abalimi betundu bali ya isinta kogosereria gutaire chai yabo ase Victoria Sanganyi.
Mambo ya ADs tumepata habari ya kwamba vitambulisho haipeani area zile zinapinga William Ruto. Hapa Mlimani, Nakuru, Kisii, Kakamega, Pwani inachukuliwa tu kwao. Tunataka
Muraibe kiama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua komoche serikali chinjire kubwatuka ibande gochia chinsemo chitali gusira omurai wense.
Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Vyake gimo mwanchi mulielia nande to kwirania asentunda ya kabere chinga kitogenete gosanga ime higeta seni yensoka somurobele wenkwana ya bene astogenete gosanga no mugeni itogaiga se studio Jared Wilberforce oyo gendete gotumanya amange kwerobelia nawe igase togendete gosanga ikoro yo kwerikia kwa baki chikura sabantu bale no barema korende Wilberforce tobere to kumurikera amange na kimwero berete kura sense mo liye kyombegete ne tobachole ne chimbebe ya IBC to changa sense mo chipati sevyama
tutaraenda gabo Frida ena le gwancha ndate ya abantu baite yente kemwe na turebe ko irana gocho abale maru babiri bakorera nga toko ba misrepresented magani yetu tegategererwa bona noti muiranga otese gotoka turaba akichikura 90 as a constituency ngima 2090 twerikie bunaba akichikura nyasa tokonye tusabe ngakiye chikura gegoika nande tubuka banda at least 85 tande to akegendo kieke chikura bunaba antabale maro ekerego cyo ikirango mugambio choli noti mugirango Kusomo gambia choliwe ekerenyo ward kosebokira ward kosege itibo ward kosebo mwagamo ward kosemo wa ward abantu aba 90 tubeka na muri tukema MP tongaki umwaka we are part of the voters that voted you in and voted the other one out ndoto tokolere yento mpaka tuigwekane omuchando go chioba ekero konyoranga ntuliko soka twerikie so ntuliko kakura lakini ekerachi basa ringo chachire watakobe considered no mole tetebani ke maene this is a political process and political problems desire political solutions correct so abantu baminta bale maru gusiengi manoti mugira kero one nsokere gusiengi matiganti ke limit not mugirango ndakwanira gusiyonse gusinyamira yonse ayo mole maru bali mu bwata abantu abale marwa yo mugako ari butoiro kugoro gosomo ngino atali korora mu bwata ko mpaka tale 28 chimoti nyoyo make sure kwalireki we register kuno muhakie kura egere ke go zosa ngakira ngaki MC number 21 ebasari nangire koegwa nimbwata singotenera mboli ng'abantu aba chikura chiabonchi ari marite karo bari chiaka ekaro mware kobara did you count disabled votes? There is no disabled vote. Lakini ikimba komanya onye nto gotenena buna abantu bale buna balema munangenda tozenga gendo yito nkeyo onye nto kala diki so tara ko chiza mangana parties litangani tiga abantu baitu bale rikia buna baki chikura no parties to skochi Frida ngo control chi political party ngise na IBC Polo tiga for one sinda beke go pili ya IBC ke no the voter educator for now Tobatevinga nota keire gwetania kobe voter na ende bono epati yenero emanyenga no koleteki noro nake ko manyunga noro titangani no mwake kurole tu obe member ye party kette egere karo ko ngantwe njubili kose ntwe no DM kose ntumba ntogete na yesha yaone koleteki kose libagari yaone koleteki asemba kala membership ile ko barwa kwanya runaye nga oise komisio ige party itira akoraki tiraba complete lakini ndemana IBC nto endete kuburirwa nkelinga oko wake kura ni right yao abale marwa bange freelance yote baiga ni ngaka ni ntaka yewe kaine umontongo chorwale umubego somya
kabisa
ubotake kura kwao egokogera umuntu mube utare gocha konyora libaga anyora libaga lie kuri ye meta akoreteki etare ngo wake kura kwao gogera ko umuntu yokonyora omuraye mube ekure ya ye mekorege ndogieke emorusie bona yekero kuganya chorerwi nabo komenyero ukorera emyaka yonsi sore ndo chegaiga Charles Nyawoko tiso andikire text go cha no muraiwe band ya Kironda Junior na barabumba nchora uno mupasta we band ya Kironda Junior ono mbwate biro yenge
ko bari present since machance
na wondo tandikire nga brother power iga nche wondo nchira go Nairobi lakini ndo chenga no anko Nyomba mwane Gladys Nyawoka na bana ba Minto na bana ba Neros Nyawoka abantu ngensoko TV manye nsoko na TV ke usiye ko bota ikongali so you are top so lende toko kitono ko jesi Nyawoka na akora lile lende buna Kironda Junior kwani bandi yengi ma batabi ngento gerikere likegenya nakini wete nsoka abaganyirete
na kitoganyirete
so lende abantu baito Eliki nandika be stubborn endo mon kadi abantu baito ba disability onya okwendege to nyanko boli mistreated nandente abantu baito bali ba IBC ga mu gato be stubborn ikegero mole maru majibu gara be Frida is either we ni Mungu na mwe ni Kisirani na boto toro kugo gende getuo abantu bituo byeito consider affirmative action. Allow me to say this in English because in Bible kolia achijenzie bigusibiti getense. If you have been given the mandate to be a clerk handling voter registration in this period, you as a clerk, you as an officer, be lenient and friendly to persons with disability as demanded in the spirit of affirmative action in Article 54(2) of the Kenya Constitution 2010 and the Disability Act 2025. Affirmative action means if you have persons with disability, people registering as voters, and you spot a person with disability, give them the first priority because we can easily give up as persons with disabilities. And you persons with disabilities, be flexible to identify yourselves and be identified as persons with disabilities. Kama uko na white cane, tembea na white cane yako. It is an identity. If you are supposed to be on crutches, use your crutches. You will help our officers on the ground to recognize you and give you the service required. Otherwise you will sit there, uone mvua, utamego chinka, kwa register uno mwaki gento kieke, uno mwaki kura.
Kodinde totebenga asensemo ya mishandling abantu bale no barimana be kera be gitango asa abantu gwesokya. Kweli kiuna baki chikora.
That is what we are saying, Bono no tolime, no ondeime. Ayo mwake kuro noti mugirango. Na gusiyenye matiyante abende gusibana. Kera ngukore show yeye, I'll give my number out. In whichever polling station you go and gochia and you find that you are being mishandled. Maybe you are not being mishandled is because maybe this officer wants to assist you but ajui vile kukusaidi. Mate Frida, tiange gelirania bobe saba itoga. Our clerks in the field request to assist a person with a disability. Mother Frida mnanjeta ikorora. Tokuru aliyo kombo atoko boko, you begin dragging me across the street. Request me, excuse me sir. Can I help you? So when you see somebody walking into a polling station wanting to register as a voter, suspend everything, go to them, listen to them, request if you can assist them. They feel dignified that way. Sometimes they feel mishandled. It's not actually being mishandled. It's because you want to assist them. You are guessing how to assist them. But if you approach them nicely, they'll explain to you how they would want to be assisted. Now, since what disability, to be friendly. Let us not assume being mishandled. These people who are bagote magotokonye field abande mbana we experience disability na ye baro liro mutangani. Are you seeing? Yeah. Sometimes somebody will come and handle you in a way you feel not comfortable. Request them, Frida, just give me your hand. Onyo ro monto ogoko tariko umate ya this even this day wano utakete ko guide. You don't come and handle me like this. This one is like you are fighting me. Kusonga le white keni yane utakete bano bwate white keni nko bwatie. That's not dignity. Naye umonto mwale maru oyocho bwate white keni yao maybe anafikiria hivyo ndo vizuri. It is your responsibility to request them and tell them, excuse me Frida, don't handle my white cane, handle my hair, handle my hand. Don't carry me, go bring the kids here on the gesture gas and call it like it's a situation of assist me to assist you. Otherwise mishandling indire kwa misunderstood. Kumbe nono kumanya mwama ite koseni inkoroteki koseni indo. But again, if you are a person with disability, show yourself. Shouting aki excuse me no ena bana inje ulimo kwenda go register. Kama aliro mwale maru achire lichiko ligote omutigirire omaze freedom bure chake gotwa nje naye ntogota ma the same way. Thank you.
Okay. Toso ase ensemo yokweli kya sebyama. Na kyomorobili obwene tagwikiraniwa. Andu bale no bale mamba bwa sobosibole bwo kweli kya sebyama.
Tali obosibole bwo oboronge tugakira oboronge wano bosibole na ubota ijo. Oboronge. These are right but then there is not that Obono ndeta ijo neli bagalizia. Kaya lichiko nditebete abantu aba emade lichiko very clear Frida. In all elective and appointive positions the state should ensure that at least 5% is reserved. Iga igere mpaka state ya majito mpaka sa matanga. Ngoja kama wase committee ya matanga ngise inali akoroko.
Geteliro.
Kama ko wase committee ya matanga geteli iga ali bali mondi gereti ko rugeteli. Committee ekorosi kuya matanga omole maro represented igere illegal. Mutakiri mwiru court committee ye correct ebunwe. Committee yoko nyomelimu mino Frida. Because I'm sure it is with disability gere kabere is either they were affected or infected. Not infected no correct no affected. Frida tora chunguze familia ino yosi pi momanya ngamale utakole tiki. Taiyo. Onye karo. Ekero moko banga konyomelimu mino. Kama onia yako lengendo kieke aiwekane so ine provision yeli chiko ya Kenya nche I'm on record in very many things 2010 na chini ya mira liko liyo wanajeshi kali chiko likirenga all appointive and elective abantu bo ba ulibaga nche bono mbali getting apart from the armed forces I took my papers kandege tinchiko likujeshi kumya kwate bundu ate moko ngegeri no mukugiri abande ko bwata nanje mungi na wango karaki bona wote ni indase ne linda chikora se ene miesuke kanda ke korasa koroba kangareki so again tukita ya se chipati chito bono chipati chinyinge chiko tumeka mabaga ya disability bubi and that's why I want to appreciate IEBC at least for once nga bato territory ke memorandum IEBC has requested us to write a memorandum on how we want to be represented right from the political parties to the posts available for our nominations in the political field or political arena for that matter. Political parties chinyinge eba ko register I'm sorry kiama nkira alitu register bagusia bange sana ba disability. Lakini kama wako functions chiabo mokole tiki moya you're not in the picture. Lakini kama wako kwa list yabo ekere parole kaneko ba compliant they give a number of persons with disabilities. So what are we telling a persons with disabilities? And the IEBC, and luckily enough they have accepted that with after looking at our memoranda that we shall write, not just from North Mugirango, but entirely, they will see if they can go either through the National Assembly or the judiciary to come up with a better modality of representation of persons with disabilities, not at the masses of a political party. Number 2, we have written a memorandum to IEBC. We pray that before election this memorandum will be effected. that we want a vetting process for persons with disabilities in every political party. If the party called the Jubilee Party of Kenya purports to be having 30,000 members with disabilities within that political party who are eligible to be given seats either in the National Assembly, the Senate, the County Assembly, or wherever. They should present the list of these 30 people. These 30 people will come up, there should be a modality which across IEBC and the National Council for Persons with Disabilities to vet people with disabilities in a political party. So that when a political party is expected to present a list, nomination a list are we able to verify that this is a eligible person with a disability to avoid obo sensible for lack of a better word one month girlfriend in the name of disability the boyfriend in the name of disability the cousin ya sokoro ya mwiwo kamati wanti in the name of a person with disability. I want to thank IEBC because they listened to us. And I believe what you have presented through the North Mugirango office is going to be shared nationally to be affected. And we are telling IEBC, I'm sorry, I'm now on Avota Education, we're being told that what is affecting a person with disability in North Mugirango is the same thing affecting a person with disability in Tarakanidhi, a person with disability in Lamu, a person with disability in Kabarak, a person with disability in Baragoi, and a person with disability in Kakuma, and the lower and the Yala swamp. Okay. So what we propose in North Mugirango, if it becomes effected in Kenya, it will help all persons with disabilities.
Okay. Biasano mwancho muligelie namba yetu yesimi 0788 66666 wabe kugukwana na intue masemo kerongo nyagosoma chiujumbe chiabere chigo soagaiga akerondo che hi ni password ya dadi neli dedri wagatanga no ware tuned in kurasi county ya Nyamira bia wana
oh my girls
Deria Kirbo agatebanga following from Manama Barin Kingdom Goika and Soko TV.
Wow.
Simon Cooper agatebanga following Joseph Omambia agatebanga Momboli Riga. Na kibarata ketubwate chikura onye ntumanyiri nonya. Na manyete buya una Nyamira titumanyiripi.
Thank you. Wana ndo to kwanda siasa Nyamira. Obya tanga Nyamira ntokora tigendo keke. No, ndo what the problem si Nyamira that I appreciate Joseph. Joseph na manyete. He knows me. Na nama tento appreciate Nyamira ndo what mechando yito tutakwandire in this forum. Lakini rende gwetani Nyamira. Engana yobocholi igerekea nyingima. Nenjera turagera tumanyi Joseph ngo batebinde bwira abantu bane banyamira na Kisi. Igendo kiragera tumanywe litangani twake tubwate chikura. Kira tubwatire chikura. Tutene bono tutene mna baki gendo kieke. I'm telling you Joseph and you know what I can do. Unchibuna we MCA word number 21. Igongo wemo kimwezi pinya sae boli. Toende constituency gete storo chokoneri wa kodire gendo kieke. Toikara so tomenyo. Tubabuli ngaki ekero twalwa kachikura mwanyo rechire malete lakini wana utarachi no yebwata Joseph Ominto now what having a political problems desire political solutions wana nyatura abwate kura Joseph Ominto tora abwate kura Motendo Ominto na ingo cha gotenena ekero to tianda basekia Frida mondo mo disability akakero mo MCA simi akamu request yobokonyi kamu request yobokonyi mwemse akamuboli abuye sole bono ngai actually gamwakrete kuri ward yengao e constituency yengao gochie ward yengao ya constituency yengao akamure we sole bono ngai wakere kura na njo matana kimete mata iga ekule ero niga bungo chana koraki aka tamanyanga squeeze ebinte bingo sabe namba yeke bande na key in na aligereria mwa MCA uri gosomora yoria agaki inye namberia akanyoro mongwa noyo litanga itali na registered as a voter akamotera ingo okonya nari pi kesa uli kwanga ina tingo okoraki
tingo kone
akanga kiresi this leader called me akambori Wilberforce MC number 21 nchi abantu baino bakobera bakora no mato muntu rusande so it's unfortunate no muntu manyete ngwante biriri nabo atobokongu na ndege mugeta kanga kiresi mi butuko saa 8 nko mubuli ekeneke akaamwa kongana no mwaki kurona akoreteki umwaki kurona ali however nko mwando bokonyi boke lakini mateya tigo boko obokora bono yaki register buno mwaki okura because ekura ne sauti yao ko yule Joseph Ominto
okay Kirandi Dennis omusoli bwegeswaga tabanga nigagende togotobwa tekora chinsemo chichia Nakuru City.
Ako kadi ama anaishi kadi.
Salams Club. Kirandi Dennis uko kadi ama unaishi kadi.
Jenzima tebale niko kadi. Mtulende al funky tole. You should be naishi kadi.
Producer yanete metese kwabere gukoigorera chisime bena. Tosange no mwanchi umurigereria nabo ko bayigorere namba yesime mwanchi umurigereria 0788666663 omoelio wana bowaka mase yemonyo ko bwateli bolie chasomugenito obwe studio ritkoria rero tobeto gusanganera mase mo mwanchi umurigereria akatogendete kunya gukorera gucia omoelio timeti Wilberforce kwa mwabere mo gukora awareness
nero ngokora tuli lakini for the longest time nandengendete kon IEBC uli ba appreciate I tasked the IEBC officers I personally and asked them how they have been doing awareness eba akoye kora in a way they have been thinking they are doing it the right way lakini kumbe bagacha appreciating amono muise ko bainwa banyene motokolere it will be better abere bakoye kora as a formality, as a requirement. But it has not been effective. That is why the returning officer, not Mogirango, no more stand yoye. Nebiri elieto, returning officer koro kuruto. Assistant nebiro mera koro mate buna korokwa. But no, we want you to be involved. The right thing. Because you have been doing it, but has never yielded fruit. We want to see involving you, whether it will yield fruit. One of task to work at nene to iwana neteka to lenga mafundisho gali buna nkoru Nairobi kukora to lenga na to work at na Kilonda Junior ete mami ko to le na kore chingere china bintu binde na bintu yashita bakora ige studio bya voter education to ko na gusi we are going to engage people with disabilities in their groups what we call OPDs organizations of persons with disabilities to ikaranse na barobo to basomi at close range in the best language and because I want se barache kerenyo kosenya musi kosenya mwanchani gosomiwa they cannot come all to some centers we want to go down to them and I thank God that IEBC officers I wish the county boss the county IEBC boss and this the national office will agree to give us resources as we have proposed but they have promised me they want to support us to take voter education to the lowest level at the grassroots.
Biamono sana timeti serikali ero mirubirikeli egendete kubika soko eneki nonyana sensemo ye technology mete technology ngonya guchinjira kiralituko timeti technology korosi kubona iganku include abantu bale no balema.
That is where we are. One of the memorandum we are rating Tualika and I'm lucky we had an officer who told us of course we are a long way. Kiagera technology means the entire maybe voting and regional process should change to digitalization. If it becomes digital, then we expect on the moment the blind they was registration whatever abe able to register na nguru assessing yaye. We are requesting in the same way the office of the registrar of political parties is doing through *509# that IEBC will one day come up with a modality in the same manner. So I want to stega na bongo endaga *509#. I resign from my political party and register to a new political party. And they have agreed in aki the memorandum we are giving them is what is going to help them. Mbara korabuya kera change it means everything should do what? Should change. Everybody will affect mpaka voting. So that I can walk into a voting booth and vote comfortably without fear of my vote being rigged, without fear of being cheated. Ngwe siekera mali na batabate machine iga kosena bera mwana na batese simiga na both Frida Keru. So technologically we are a bit behind when it comes to matters voter registration and voter education and elections in Kenya. You are all aware ntole mahega atai bantu disability boka entirely.
Okay, recommendation kichirora arugo cyase abantu bari no bari mabare iskogari no ni ntwa abantu torebuya maybe asogokonya abantu bari no bari makwirikya unabakichikora
not able to carry disability. You are either infected or affected. In the Tangani, ayobwato moiri or maru. One challenge you are facing as persons with disabilities, you know what we call continuous voter registration, CVR, that can be done even in IEBC offices across the country. And do what mass voter registration. Mass wanaekorokwa. Ofisa Ruto nikumbushe yoje kama ni mass.
Ni mass.
Sikumbuka kama ni mass. No, there's something they call it, but there's a better term, but it's the same as mass registration. When I want to go to this 1 month, make sure you take your people. If you cannot take them, let us know. Ngutigande namba ya nega. Ndebi ntuse itoga ntubwa pa maremaru utakire wheelchair. Hatuna wheelchair ya kumpeleka arejeste kama mpiga kura. Can you organize? I want to assure you, as long as you are aware, not Mugirango, I'll make sure that person is registered as a voter. Some of them will not be because they don't have IDs. Kindly facilitate them to acquire national identification cards. Call our officers. Ngota wale ba ulibaga baende binyoro bakoraki omuntu mpaka boye oba registered kubwate ikebande. 2, go and register with the National Council for Persons with Disabilities as a person with disability, so that you have that identification. Ekorocha kwenda ko request for how you want to be assisted to vote. The commission finds it easy to plan for you because it involves budget.
And abwata chisimi beri sata. Hello Ensoko TV.
Hello Ensoko ndoje.
Na kiboirire.
Ensoko
TV na kiboirire.
Boile buya Ensoko TV ni ndoje ngambi ya mugendera ta mu muranara oromo mu ko amba buya sana. Ni ndoje nganati ni buya ke ko rai ba ta bane mu MCA banati abaguru.
Ayana gyo kwendo ugu.
Mu MCA 21.
Ya marieta neon si gongoro kutis mas mukweli. No yo buya gande si tokuru jamaje.
Yes.
Bono ntegerete ku Nairobi ya.
Ndoko igwete.
Bono kiko ndo chinge soko ninya njite ko nyetegerera sana munandikereti ya.
Asante.
Ngote ndeti bintu byose bibyase tisheno ebe ko kubwata sala lakini byose bintu chingambe yabire.
Biaona sana.
This month I don't want Tomia.
Na no bongeza sana na nyorira mangana maya kurwa mumuro ya agendete kurwa na ndo mole mwekera yo bwate kiare kanene.
Kiare kana kiye ko ngobale. Asante Desmond.
Ati na ronte ke tukura manyaga ke ko jikure jibaga teba nga kuru 2013 abantu bata abwate te kuru 2013. Mpaka bono iga iko bago tikobwata na ende muya kusigo to ndo chingege muna eresire.
Sawa.
Bauti te yo na ya na odige ba abantu ba konde nga kuru 2013 ba bata bo tikura. Wajib register ande wajib ri buya ke ko mai to bono ntuma yidinga na kito yo gara ko ntuma te te kito tenese kia magia matiangi. Uno poka bintu.
Wala ito tukutakura ndia wana sana.
Mase kura ya oyerende.
Okay.
Nande ishikadi. Ekena nkelinga onye kwa bwate kura ngaki kwa bwate kura. Ege nto ko no ko verify nga no ko teki. Mbaru ni active. Ikiara ngunya alekanele because of 1 or 2 reasons. Onye ole yarura say sister. Muna njena bwate kura ya ne 206 I believe. Because I voted first in 207. Nana kwanda ko register nande buno muakie kura. Yongo na chiko verify. Bono ndokora this month na ndoba bintu banya mache na kirasi. Oja bale marugenda kigetuo kiao o verify na no register za voter.
Ensoko TV.
Oyo ziki wanga ko nyawokiani.
Bongo ye.
Da kero.
Biaona.
Walo nyawokiani
Yes.
Ono ino musani ole kabisa na ile tuwarage ile meze ye muna nyavuoko tita. Walo musiko yoto sabia mangana maya mange.
Aha.
Ono ino musani ole na mugo na balo mugo na tabanya sako kumuraige njira kogenda da kinuika.
Ayo tonso lele suti Jones. Tonso lele suti.
Ni jeko sana.
Asante.
Mbia wana sana. Hello Ensoko TV.
Ensoko TV.
Na kiboirire.
Mugairire.
Mugairire ya.
Sanganere.
Muga koinda amarire iyo na tiamo oino musae banare wetero muga katingo lokeye tatanje.
Aya ningo.
Oyo tamuchimona miri kwa ko iri aroko sauti fiwo macho gachache.
Yes.
Na bongi weto goto semi wiye kiagera nyata oito ogokonyire. Tigatumura hata mimi niko kadi.
Mimi naishi kadi.
Bwana nchipita ikikoya na maega.
Asante.
Mbia mana.
Konya bale marubasa ino wati chikadi ndugu.
Hello Ensoko TV.
Hello.
Na kiboirire.
Oyo nyanga.
Aha.
Mongwano ini mo maete. One drale como boli to wati disabilities bare karenyo. Imanye tina kime pango kiba buate ekogera gwetire county government inda kiba babangire mbotu wate garanya disability. Debi ombe byabo ngai babangire byayikira kinjira ngura ni mumanye to sobonyango gali ni ngomorana ko ajala garanya byamono tate tu
byamono sana. Hello Ensoko TV. Wairire bya.
Abadali mie TV yae wateko.
Network I think. Aha, hello Ensoko TV.
Hello.
Na kiboirire. Yo morali ango to sanganere.
Bano mo embe to ko bolio mo emadu yo ko tania yamo. Amatuka mange kera bago te bangamba buate kwelende. Ero.
Doy wete.
Abale mabu abange. Mbadiko ko so ase arena. Bate bana bakuna bono bate kwera testati egwende obata tati nandi ba beto na kigoba. Bono auto we sere bieka. Bantu bakona bana mbali kule boronge bajite forward bo bwate dikati. Lakini kale msiki yako babanza kukule mwa banda batoko toko babwati eje dikati andragenga tolikoba. Igona barabu abwenda toko bakwe ndio moelio. Ndiyanga likera abwate sabanda abandu balia batara bale ko batani ko jana kwekera ko ambwa.
Sawa sana. Hello Ensoko TV.
Hello Ensoko TV.
Na kiboirire.
Wairire bya morali.
Ngoto sanganere.
Sangana just nyakuli ko ruoro teno. Nigo wateba anena mona bare mankure deligubali. Wamanya panyara ilia wanyera ininga ke pura kuwaka. Wamanya wachore umura yoli atatageti. Anena mona kina tabio morali yali gerali ngana kuneibia.
Okay, mbia mana sana. Aide mbona chikare go chachi nyinge kegima. Jared gachi agatanga Jared gachi mutu ayo kwana nama ya oyakurukwanga nere Charles kura chinsemo chichia nyagesende marani nyagesenda. Okay,
thank you ndamara ninkwana yo mwalimu chendera sugwa umarani ndabu nyagesenda wetu.
Elija Makoli koresa meli ya kera pia jago tabanga tuko kadi Mr. I like your talk. You are fit you are fit to be an MCA.
Ali MP baba akiwa MC namba 21 batanga no yamosha. Yes.
Kwa hiyo koboko sense meyo. Dochege birubite byatonyoreke kuma Wilberforce timaitengana yawo yo mwali neriye guchasoma nje.
Tuwana byaera bwango. Mwale ko ibana ga ikomi ga affirmative. Affirmative action. Affirmative means a legal favor. Anyway, tigante bega. Abantu wetu bari circumstances nyingi ande chingia. Na arabo wote banga ndoto mbali gwesokia bacha ko blame IEBC. Na kitu abibikire ebe raisi. onye koro moliki bwa bantu bakachikura you are a clerk register voters don't stick to a station go to social gatherings no mambiende Tuesday matanga na ali kongalia walk there see how many persons are there with disability and others register them na into on the disability ke wina akwanire with Frida you can bear me witness onye mobwate recording na mokwandira ko play yuka so kana inwe gose so kigwa so kia bantu baina bare maru kenda tie mobisa ngancho mugakone ta kwenyara njunguire mwana okoreki gakwanga you call me abande mbaboli abo ntwate bangara tuli grassroots ine no kuiza tindati kuirorera so ingana ta kotebe montimba se kweba IEBC maambia Easter Monday not Mugirango we are going to for verification of new polling centers so bali mota to move to new polling stations by tomorrow evening they will be, I think latest by Tuesday morning they should be uploaded on the portal you can go and check so tomorrow there is an exercise here ground IEBC officers not Mugirango for verification of new polling stations ekyo kesi nkibuya egera ko bangete ko change ko polling station A to polling station B toto konye kwando gacho nyate ko letiki elite hiyo so kuanzia kesho jioni karada to tiwisco
kabisa
ndo kiende uchikolera pi is that kura yako ni sauti yako wewe mlemavu we are crying right left and center our voices will be counted through our votes bali mo sabira mbo mu MCA kusoma MP aki abangina abago choro mongino mwabo na inu genda mweliki mobo chakonyora na chire kuboli chikura gosonya lebo chiro maremaru litanga nitwara chikoraki ngo muntu no kwana ga matiyangi ndiko muira bube igakwane singincha manyinga yegwetinga intu bona ngusi na intu abalemaru ekenegesa kukende disability Frida is a tribe of its own disability is a ward of its own disability is a county of its own disability is a constituency of its own no governors those are demanding at what all room governor yomo affirmatively or disability to county 48 and their disability so come out valitolichi alpha gen alpha mnafaa kuishi kadi tikaje nziba we niko kadi dutika toishi kadi so Frida wekera twakolera
twakorere
tigante venga asanti na nderende abantu baito bankagari soka mubwate chikura abantu baito bali mwanto metego chialia ebendi ya Kirwanda mate ya lincherare gochakera mambia ngo nyanyora mura akorire gendo gieke asokire timbo atimanga nande mange Frida I want to appreciate Nsoko TV nande gendera go to ali bagabune eliga bona to abantu abale maru rosie program ye mobile on matters disability na bongo sacrifice go to mabo bisabaito to endera go kora continuous civic education and awareness not just on voter registration kirege ntubura ge koraki kuna gegocha mpaka bocholi bwechai mpaka ebintu on the same note mheshimiwa Jeremiah Migosi akonte binga Wilberforce nkwanali Frida tebi Nsoko TV nga mtuno atomenyetega na kigito kyomugusi
mbia mono sana umuibori Anthony Ragoli na my people following online from Kenyatta University atanga ata pia yako kadi mbia mono sana mwanchi muri ile asogo tobwate ati atosa sensemo ya kabere studio tobe tokonyora mangana maya